John with Ocean Breezes Home Inspections here in Myrtle Beach. We're doing a home for a client here in the Carolina Forest area this morning. And we come across this water heater. One of the things we always check is the thermostats. Now this one is a little bit on the obvious side, what's going on here. But we always check thermostat temperatures. As you can see, this the lower thermostat is turned up. It should be at 125, and this upper one is right where it's supposed to be. This home was for renters, and people do that a lot of times when they have more people in the home than what they're supposed to be, which is probably one of the reasons why this particular unit is wearing out faster. Obviously there hasn't been any maintenance and it's rusting out real bad, but when you turn the thermostats up, you wear them out faster. You run your electric bills up, and it doesn't last anywhere near as long, so it costs you all the way around. Again, this is John with Ocean Breezes Home Inspections in Myrtle Beach. Just one of the main things we find on a daily basis, and one of the reasons why we go through and check all components. Again, this one is rotting out, and it shouldn't be. It's not that old. It should have had a little bit more life left to it, but this is something I'm going to recommend they just have replaced before purchasing this property. Again, John with Ocean Breezes Home Inspections. Hope everybody's having a good day.